How's it, guys? Welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Today we'll be looking at the British pound US dollar again, and then also the British pound Japanese yen. Okay guys, before we move on, go visit my website, fxrhapsody.co.za. If you scroll down, you get all your new videos that I post in my blog here, and all you can do is just click on the image and it will take you straight to the video of the previous day. You can see on the side pane here on some very cool features on news feeds, economic calendar, your trading view platforms that you can click on and go into. Also your video categories. If you're getting started in trading, you just click on the video category over here and it will take you straight to the page of all the videos that you need to watch about trading, how to install MetaTrader, introducing trading and so forth. And then also you get all your other, your strategies and analysis. And let's get trading. So all these videos are nicely dotted out for you. All you need to do is just click on the description. It will take you straight to the video. I've also got my brokers. If you click on the broker tab, you can see that my preferred brokers are over here. IFX, nice ABOOK broker. If you don't know what it is, just click on the tab. It will tell you exactly what a ABOOK broker is. These guys are brilliant. Minimum deposit of $10, 50% welcome bonus. You can deposit via Ozo, PayFast, School, Bitcoin, and more. They've got amazing spreads. Just click on the spreads and it'll tell you exactly what the spreads are. So click here to join the family, and then also the resource tab, which I explain in my videos every time. Just click on the resource tab, and then you can get a candlestick cheat sheet, and then also the commitment of traders. All you do is download it to your mobile phone, to your laptop, to your MacBook. So let's start off with the British pound US dollar. We can see on the monthly time frame that the pound has started making its move to the upside again, just testing that support and resistance area. Price broke through it, came back, and it looks like it is wanting to close just below that that area for the month, as it did close, because this is the end of the month. On a weekly time frame, there's a bit of mixed signals on the pound. So basically, if you look at your Fibonacci, so let's say you get your Fibonacci from the low to the high, you can see that price is retracing back. And obviously, I would like to see price retracing back to this zone between the 62 and the 79%. So basically, I would like to see price doing that and then start moving to the upside. But now, let's just take this away. But now what we see here is if you look a little bit to the left on the weekly, price is in actual fact tapping on a previous area of support. So basically price closed just above that area for the week. So there's also obviously start of next month or next week the possibility that price might just shift up from there, and then looking for nice longs on the British pound US dollar. Now on a daily time frame, let's see what is happening there. Right, so let's expand it a little bit. So what we can see and what we know from our previous analysis, let me just make it a bit bigger. There we go. So what we know is that there was an area of support right there, and we know that price just broke through that area of support, now turned resistance. We can also see, if we pull our Fibonacci from this swing low to that swing high, we can see that price is retracing back. So for this coming week, I would love to see price retracing back to this zone there. And you can also see that it falls nicely in. If I can just draw a little bit to the side and you draw this a little bit up, there's a area of support. Actually, it's also a resistance area than support. So basically, I would like to see price just tapping this area, going into that before looking for any buys, if you only look at the daily time frame. But now again, you can price can easily just from here start shooting to the upside. So this is where we drill down to the lower time frames, especially this coming week. It's the start of the month. And just look at your lower time frame to look for signs of reversals. So price might not even reach this area. Price might decide just from here to carry on to the upside. So we're definitely going to be looking for some longs. Let's look at the COT reports. Let's look at the British pound. So on the British pound, you can see lots of shorts being closed in the market again. So that net position is just going up even more to the upside. So basically, it went from a negative 20,000 net positions to sitting on a nice 14,000, almost 15,000 net positions. So basically, meaning that the big banks institutes are looking to, or they are looking to long this position. So basically, the British pound, we can see a move to the upside coming this month. Right, let's move on to our next pair, which will be the British pound, Japanese yen. And like always, we start off with the monthly time frame. Now this pair has been a real, made some nice movement this month, basically, especially towards the end of the month. So we can see that this area over here, so you could see price breaking that previous resistance area, and then for the month just closing just basically on that level. So just tapping liquidity and just closing there. So let's have a look at what's going to happen. Start of this month, will the next move be down? But yeah, time will tell on that one. On a weekly time frame, let's look at what the weekly says. So here you can clearly see that that area of resistance was broken. That area turned into a support. You can see price pushing up again, ending in a nice little candle there. So what's going to happen? Will this be an inverse hammer? We'll see the next couple of candles. If there's a push to the upside, we will definitely be looking for nice buy opportunities moving to the upside on the British pound. We also know, looking at the previous analysis on GU, you can see that there's some nice longs or short positions being closed. So, you know, a movement to the upside is definitely on the cards for this week on this pair. Let's look at the daily time frame. Let's expand this. So you can see that there's this area over here, support area, not breaking that support like we saw on the weekly time frame. And then obviously you have your resistance area at the top. So we'll definitely this week, you know, price, or especially the next couple of days, it might even go into a consolidation phase before it decides to either break to the upside, or it can actually break to the downside and then carry on. So definitely keeping an eye on this pair for this coming week. But you know, I'm biased for a nice little buy this week, especially on the lower time frames. So I'll be keeping an eye on that hourly time frame. Just have a look at your analysis, just yeah, to get that sweet entry. So like I said, we know that on for the British pound, you can see a lot of shorts being closed. So basically, the net position is getting stronger, 15,000 already. Japanese yen, we can see this pair is just getting weaker and weaker. So a lot more longs being closed in the market again, a little bit of shorts being opened. So basically, it went from a, yeah, where if you go down here from a negative 37,000, and it's just gotten weaker, and it's sitting on a negative 107,000 net positions. So again, I think there's definitely a move to the upside. So we'll keep an eye on the lower time frames for this pair. So both pairs, like both British pound pairs, looking for nice buys this week. So guys, that's all from me for today. Hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you did, don't forget to press that like button, comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the analysis and what's going to happen to these two pairs this coming week, and especially beginning of the month. And also, you know, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more video content coming your way. Guys, hope you're having a wonderful weekend. Stay safe and happy trading.